guys! So for today's video is going to be a get ready with me. Pero ang twist, I will be using new products from Penshoppe Beauty or Beauty Pop by Penshoppe. So I don't know if they are like new in the market. Parang ano mo yung bagong labas, bagong upload. Pero I just saw it nung isang araw and they're super affordable. So I bought some. Hindi ko binili lahat kasi I want to test some of the products lang. Kasi they have new blushes. New blushes and then new matte lip mousse and then yung eyebrow product nila because parang wala na akong bagong eyebrow product. And honestly, na-try ko na itong tatlo last week. So, meron ako maibibigay na very quick review sa inyo. Pero syempre, i-demo ko muna on my face. And then, pero ito, ngayon ko palang gagamitin yung eyebrows. Eyebrow product. For my foundation, for my base, parang ang tagal ko na hindi nagagamit ito. Like, a few weeks na. So, I'm going to use yung BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. So, while waiting for a base to set, gagawin ko na yung brows ko. Wala namang specific title. Pero, this is what it looks like. At ang lakas makasunny's face. Okay, so andito sa kabilang side yung product. And then, sa kabilang side, we have a spoolie. I like this. It's so easy to use. At saka, parang ang ganda niya for everyday. Hindi siya ganun ka-intense. I mean, this is the shade brown. Yung color pigment niya, yung color payoff niya, hindi super duper intense. Pero it does the job. And I like it. It looks sleek. Ang sarap gamitin ng brush. I like this. And it's so affordable. I like this. I do recommend that you try this. You go get this na guys. I like it. I really like it. Before I proceed, tapusin ko muna yung rest of my face. I'm going to contour muna and I'm going to use itong sa Bench Beauty. O diba? Penshoppe yung ano, pero Bench Beauty yung Bench Beauty yung pang contour. Okay lang yan. Love Local. Parang wala naman kasing, meron ba? Contour channel ng Penshoppe. Parang wala naman. So I'm not going to use a highlighter, but I'm just going to use yung Skin Potion's Glow Dust, and it's also going to give me a really nice subtle glow while setting my BB cream. So next product I'm going to use is itong kanilang cream blush, and I got the shade Smitten. So, ang claim to fame nito is it's lightweight, easy to build and blend. It has vitamin E for moisture and vitamin B3 to lessen dullness. It's paraben-free and cruelty-free. So, this is what it looks like. So, i-blend ko muna dito. Oh my god, you guys. Alam niyo ba na merong bagong album si Taylor Swift, and I've been so addicted to it over the weekend. My God, it is super duper. It is so easy to blend. Yes. It's so pigmented. Yes. Buildable ba siya? Of course. And how much was this? 199? 200 pesos. And para sa akin, pasok sa budget yun, guys. I like it. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka super duper bilis mag-set. Bibigyan niya kanya na enough time to blend it. I like it. I really like it. Ito, lalo itong shade na to. Ang lakas lalo na on my skin tone. Ang lakas mestiza. You know, para ka lang sunburned or something. Mag-eyeliner muna pala ako. Tsaka, mascara. Now, my favorite moment. This is their matte lip mousse. Ito yung packaging. Super duper simple. Ang lakas maka-BLK, no? So this is $219 if I'm not mistaken. And then ang kanyang claim to fame ay lightweight velvety formula for a soft blurred look. It has vitamin E. It's lead-free, paraben-free, and not tested on animals or cruelty-free. So I bought 2 shades kasi hindi ko alam ayun yung parang gandara. Pero this one, first shade is Pinky Swear. So, swatch ko muna. Sabi dito, you can use it parang dab-dab lang and then use smudge. By the way, ito pala ang applicator. Or, you can apply it in full pack color. Okay, so, dito tayo sa swatch na. So this is Pinky Swear that's smudged. So para lang siyang, you know, your lips were better. Pero let me show you the full pack color. So this is Pinky Swear in full pack color. And you guys, ang formula nito, super duper smooth and creamy. And parang dumudulas lang talaga yung, madulas siya. Dumudulas yung applicator sa labi mo. And kahit i-layer mo siya ng i-layer, parang dumudulas lang talaga siya. And it's hindi siya drying. Totoo yun. Hindi siya drying. And does it have a blur look? Tiny bit. But not, you know, hindi talaga yung parang super duper blurred look. It's gonna give you a little bit, but not so much. Pero, I like that it's moisturizing and it's super duper lightweight. Hindi mo mararamdaman na nandiyan siya. Pero, the thing, ang con lang dito is, it's just like a typical lipstick. Mag-transfer siya. Hindi siya mask-friendly. Pero, if you're looking for a lip product na alam mo yun, naka-moisturize ng lips, why not? Diba? So, this is Pinky Swear. Hindi pala nakikita. Next shade that I got is in the shade Boss Babe. So this is Boss Babe Smudged. Parang siyang lip tint na. So this is Boss Babe in full pack on color, and I know it is super duper different from Pinky Swear. And alam mo, may something dito kay Boss Babe because when I tried it last week, I know na hindi siya transfer proof and everything, pero ito, specifically itong Boss Babe, or maybe the other dark colors or dark shade ng line na to, nag-iiwan siya ng stain. So what am I gonna wear today? pagsamahin natin dalawa, gawin natin ombre channeling. So, I'm going to use Pinky Swear muna. And then, I'm going to put Boss Babe in the middle. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Nag-blower na ako ng banggang-bangga. So, sa lahat ng products na try ko, I think I do recommend all of them. Kahit na itong matte, well, it's not really that matte. I don't know why they call it matte lip mousse. It's not that matte. Although kahit hindi siya matte and hindi siya transfer proof, meron siyang quality na I kind of like because it's pigmented and it's moisturizing, and I can see myself using this. Well, kahit nasa bahay, kahit na nasa office, although hindi siya mass proof, pero alam mo yun, kung gusto ko ipahinga yung lips ko dun sa mga matitinding mga lip products, I'll definitely go pick this up. Itong ito, I love this. Lalo na itong shade na Smitten. Go get this, you guys. Lakas maka, mistisa. Merong shade doon, Tango. It's like a bright orangey color. I think sa mga morena, yeah, it's bright orangey, but sometimes a bright color would really work on morenas. Itong eyebrow pencil, I also do recommend this. Highly, highly recommend. So yeah, we are done for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Today's video is just super simple, but I hope kahit paano you were able to get an idea about these products. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!